Ginwa singo menyoni mago mane timore e od bura mar 13 kama spika mar od bura mamalo Moses Wetangula kod nyawadgi mar Senator Amazon Kingi kawuono bagoro mokwongo mar keto twak mar od bura bedayanga. Od bura mar 13 thuolo ne jo od bura kendo twak mar manyo tend od bura ewi kweth mano mathoth kod mano manok odhi nyime e yo motegno ka spika ema koro biro bedo kod teko mar golo ng'eto ewi wachno. Kendo spika mar Senator Amazon Kingi oyango ni Senator Makericho Aaron Cheruiyot mar Kenya Kwanza jatend kweth mathoth e od bura mar Senate ka Senator machon Karama Narok Oledama Olekina mar Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Alliance ema koro yudo lemo mar tend kweth manok e od bura mar Senate. Jo od bura mamalo odhi nyime gi twak ewi yango ni kweth mane gi jo od bura mathoth.
Before we make a determination and direction, I want to give the House the remainder of the time this afternoon to ventilate on this matter. I urge you to debate with decorum. This House is not a political rally. We don't want to use this as a platform to engage in trivia.
Honorable Speaker, indeed the question that is before you and before this House, Honorable Speaker, is to simply determine which is the largest coalition of political parties or the largest political party. And that party, Honorable Speaker, must be a parliamentary political party.
Constituent parties, Jubilee, ODM, Wiper, Kanu, NAC, you can say no, but I'm telling you what is what is here. Yes. They continue shouting no, but that won't make a difference. Kanu, NAC Kenya, Muungano Party, Maendeleo Chap Chap, Democratic Action Party, Devolution Empowerment Party, UPIA, UDM.
You cannot force MDG to go in bed with you. They do not want and protected by Article 36. You can't force them. You cannot force independence. You cannot force Maendeleo Chap Chap to go in bed with you. You cannot use a mere paper that you coerced members to say that you've got to be with us.
This country has left the era when coalition agreements used to be rubbish the way they want, Mr. Speaker. That is what made the Political Parties Act to bring provisions that make sure that coalition agreements are held against the people who sign for it, Mr. Speaker.